What's up guys, so today we are gonna recreate Cristiano Ronaldo's knuckleball at Man United. So let's try to recreate it. So let's go. That was actually bad.
Are you serious?
Wow, that's actually a good one. But Cristiano's goal just goes to the top corner. So yeah, we need to recreate it. Guys, after 8 shots, in my 9th shot, I did this. Oh my god! Yeah!
You can't do this to me.
Oh my god! Yeah!
Guys, I've just recreated Cristiano Ronaldo's knuckleball. Bruh, that was actually so easy to recreate. Actually, that was so easy for me to recreate it. I just did it in like 10 shots. Yeah, it was good though. Nice. And guys, see you in next video. So make sure to like, share and subscribe. And subscribe if you want to grow more. See you. Peace. Bye.